going to bring him down, and the doctors and nurses and all that are going to be in a corridor, and we're going to walk down through, and then he's going to see the family at the end of the aisleway and his dog.
I think it's good to show the community that with the help of healthcare providers, with the support of families, we do have patients that get better and they end up going home. This is very rewarding for not just me, but all the people who have worked with Ed throughout this course, the hospitalists, the intensive care specialists, the nurses, the therapists, respiratory therapists, everybody who's helped bring Ed to this point in his life where he can go home and enjoy going back with his family and spending time with them, especially his dog, which he misses a lot.